What is going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 22 unit building that I have just purchased with my corporation. And this building is a monster. It just goes and goes and goes. Hey, Tom. Welcome to being a YouTube star.
Am I on camera?
You're on camera for now. This is Amy,
Hey.
Tom. This is a master key-ish.
Ish?
Ish, working on it.
Half
Maybe,
the box or something?
yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet, half the power.
You have the power for now. Like, she goes back.
Oh, wow.
Like
Way back.
all the way past sea. So we're gonna get a quote to cut those trees down because they're causing some water damage on the roofs. Get the layout of the land pretty much, Tom. This is a giant commercial space that we need to figure out what to do with.
Well, what's it go for?
It's a spa or something, right?
Yeah, it's like Botox.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna age naturally. I'm not gonna hide my frowns. Oh, because
Holy crap.
I know, right? So like we thought of like making this back apartments somehow, but we gotta talk to the city, right? So yeah, but keep the front as like a little bit of a commercial office. But like all this is like such dead space for the front.
Yay.
Yeah. No, this building's gonna be super easy. It's all on slab.
Nice. So this is
Yeah.
the whole building you got.
Yeah, we would need a architect to figure out what to do in this front. You're saying this is for everything?
Well, it's all the units. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're all inclusive right now, right?
Haven't changed that.
Well, we'll see. Or they can overpay and then we'll do all inclusive. It's still a maze to us. So.
Yeah. Got a unit upstairs you want to go?
Yeah. So there's 22 units, 2 are commercial. That would be 1. So there's 4 here.
Yep.
Yeah, these were steep if I remember.
Had some squatters living in here.
Oh, no.
You know, we know all about squatters and everything.
One pulled a knife on me.
What?
Yeah, that was it for me. I was like,
Yeah, you can run if that happens. Oh, it's chilly. Yeah, like it could be a sick apartment, eh? This is the hot water boiler that goes around the...
Oh, they're
Yeah, you got a blank slate here pretty much.
Are they mostly 2 beds?
Yeah, I think literally everything's a 2-bed. Maybe there was a 1-bed somewhere?
there was 2 on A that were converted to 1 bedrooms because
Oh yeah.
of the lack of windows.
No light bulbs. This is kind of small, Tom, but
Yeah, it's a little small, but still make it look nice.
it'd be a sick apartment.
Yeah. Paint one,
Yep.
cabinet upgrades, be a lot of demo. Do everything. It's basically a whole lot of flooring and paint. Cabinets are gonna get kind of expensive just because they're 2 U shapes and this countertop overhang.
Is that number 3 or is that just graffiti?
It's just-
I have no idea. Maybe it's free.
So I guess we need new appliance.
Oh yeah, new appliances.
They jammed that stove in pretty good, eh? They're just like, oh, let's do it here. But then interesting too, Tom, they have some version of cold air return or
Covered over with tape.
well, because they
Yeah.
didn't want a either hot box something. I don't know, maybe.
Well, they were cooking that.
Oh yeah. So actually, this is drop ceiling, so maybe if you get up in the drop ceiling, you'll see where it goes. Yeah. See, we get some nice painting right here. Get a lighter color so it doesn't feel dark. Do you have a painter, Amy, in town or?
Yeah, I have a couple.
Okay.
Yeah, we just need you guys.
Yeah.
There's 8 vacants at the moment?
We'll confirm, I guess, too. Right?
You guys couldn't have came on Saturday.
It's gonna get better. All right. Is there a golf cart?
Take my truck.
So this is the other commercial. Man, that'd be a pretty sick Airbnb, like really quickly. It needs a kitchen. It's just got a sink pretty much. So, and then it's just bathroom and a office, but you know, could be bedroom. But we'll talk to the city. Was this ever rented?
I've had 2 people interested and they were both hairdressers.
Why is that the catch-all? It's always like, You could do a hairdresser studio. That's what everyone says.
Here's your problem.
It's been like that since I started 2 years ago.
Cool. We'll go see A, B, C.
It's not expensive at least. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Hey, boss.
Hi.
Hey there. Ooh, did you get whiff? That's a smoke-free building. So dark.
It is, right?
New light fixtures.
Could be the
Light
li-
bulb's not cutting it.
No.
No.
So yeah, I think this is the majority of the layouts, right? So another blank slate here. Yeah, dishwashers. Actually, looking if we can do in-suite as well. Laundry.
What about right here?
Potentially, if you wanted to, you upgrade your water heaters to a panel on the wall, and then you can add your staff
Yeah.
laundry
That'd be
to the on-demand water heaters.
Yeah, that was a good
That'll
idea.
save you a bunch of space, and then your laundry room is fit right there.
Dude, it is tight, a little small vanity, but we get new ones. Can we steal some height if we rip down the ceiling?
Potentially, yep. Nothing you need access to, you just drywall it.
Yeah,
You don't need
so
to.
let's do that.
Drop ceilings in bathrooms aren't very nice.
No.
Sometimes you need to have them, but in this case, hopefully you don't.
So yeah, the bedrooms are kind of tight and awkward, but
Too much there.
no.
Space is overrated.
If we're gonna furnish them, Cindy has a list of all like what we order from Amazon.
Yeah.
You could order that to the location here, and you could open up 9 million boxes, and
Yeah.
okay.
That's why I had kids.
Cool. Ah,
Nice.
amazing.
Yeah, because they order on us.
You have business accounts with them?
Maybe I don't know. We don't know what we're doing.
You get like 30% off with a business
Show up and
account.
throw money at things. And hopefully it works.
Hey, we're gonna be paying the electricity shortly. Let's turn that off. You probably could take this part down, eh?
We at least open the wall, see what's in it, to see what it's hiding. If there's
Yeah.
lots of pipes and shit, it might not be worth it, but.
It would be nice if it ran all the way across the back wall. This was like an island.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
your built-in laundry.
Oh, that would actually be pretty nice. That gives me a good idea at my triplex too. I could do that because I have a similar. It's bigger, but it has that walk-in, walk-out thing.
Oh, yeah, no, that makes total sense to open that all up.
Yeah.
It looks so much.
Well, we.
More room for the dishwasher and all that stuff.
Okay. She's got a landlord here trying for 1,800.
Really?
He bought a couple of Victorian houses, converted them five apartments in each home.
Yep.
Got some fourplexes.
Yeah,
Yeah, and it was a 2-bedroom, 1850 plus.
wow. Rents are going up.
I gotta do some YouTubey things. So.
Yeah, you're really good at that.
Well, not too good, but.
Already dropped it.
What do you guys think? You guys think we can do $1,800 of rent in here? Plus utilities? You don't think so? Hit the like button if you think so. You know, many people ask me if you lived here just in general, and I'm like, no, she has a
I
car.
know.
I'm
I
like,
don't want to live here.
I'm like, no, she's an adult. She has a car.
I know when I applied for this building, they're like, do you want to live here? I'm like, no.
I don't know.
I don't want to live here.
Are we looking at any of these or no?
This one here.
Okay. I don't feel like I went in this one. Maybe I did. Is this one a recent vacant?
No. It's
No?
been empty 2 years.
Okay, we went in this then, eh?
Yeah, remember the squatter was in here? I would have had these gutted in a week.
Yeah.
Everything moved out.
I'm hoping we're hitting the ground running in March here. So just need a layout.
You need a dumpster, that's for sure.
Thank you.
My
I
little
know.
trailer can't hold all of this.
We probably can do the similar here. Do the island out here and make this nice.
It could be a nice 1-bedroom too. You can get good value for them.
Yeah, fairly certain these aren't structural walls.
Yeah. So like nice island.
All up.
You can easily do your laundry right in this thing, right? There's tons of space.
Yep.
So do in-suite laundry in here.
Yeah, the lower levels are beautiful.
This does take up a lot of space, but yeah.
It does. Only issue is getting the drain over. Got water lines, but concrete floor.
What do you think of this double door here? Would you fill one in, or what would you guys do? Or just have it be an awkward bedroom? Or you gotta come in and close your door here, and then close your door over here.
Oh, so that's the 2 bedrooms, right?
This is, yeah, like if this was another bedroom, they opened this wall up. But she's saying there was a window, but they filled it in because with the alley between, we could probably still keep taking down the walls.
So, like, open it up.
Cause then you have like, you could literally do like a desk, a bed. It'd be like a giant 1-bedroom. It'd actually be pretty nice. But you legit would only be able to rent to 1-bedroom people. There's no point of re-walling this, making this the bedroom and that an office.
Yep.
So that's too big. I think just if those are just cosmetic, take them down. And flooring, closet. We stage it with bed here and desk over there. I wonder like what's the cost to just run a boiler pipes around these things? You know, the other units do it already. People hate electric.
They're both ugly. They're both the same.
So do you want to put in ductwork or?
Unless you do the stainless steel ones and it looks not retro, but
Like kind of like a
industrial.
New York apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm open to it. These bathrooms are a little tight, eh? Everyone will know that I'm Canadian. I say A too much. Amy, I noticed even at Orchard, none of them had auto closers.
Okay.
Does that, the fire marshal wants that in Chatham?
Well, these, the soft close bars,
Yeah.
and they do shut. They have to shut on their own.
But not the apartment ones?
No.
Really?
They just have to be 30-minute fire rated doors.
Okay.
Fire marshal is my uncle.
Oh,
You're a good contact to have.
C has 2 vacant right now and 2 more coming.
Okay, C's gonna be pretty empty.
Yeah. And you
Okay.
could, yeah. Whereas Tammy and Colin were.
This must go straight to the earth, eh?
Right when we had this cemented,
Yeah.
asphalt, whatever, we cracked the main water line. I had my buddy here digging it all up, and we did notice it was tied in.
Okay. Cool.
when were these doors put in?
5 months ago.
All right, yeah, we're just walking through B. Where's the laundry? Oh yeah.
Water leak?
No, but like all this space. Well, look at our east troughs, just covered in
And it was
trees.
just empty last fall.
Yeah, well, we gotta cut these trees down that are. Okay.
Insurance. Guys, nothing. Trees hanging over your building?
Insurance, don't drop us. Come on, insurance isn't watching this, are you?
Building's in good shape.
Oh, it's a tank. That's why I was like, man, this isn't that bad. Like there's not like it's just a blank canvas for all the units. Like,
Pretty much. Paint, floor, new kitchen, bathrooms.
so yeah, she suggested another fence on the other side. Might clean it up. Hello.
Hello.
So 2 vacant, 2 more coming.
Yep.
107.
Remember, this is the very bad one.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's keep this wallpaper.
Yeah.
And is this our bike now?
So yeah, the other ones probably have plumbing up in there. You can still drywall it to make it look nicer. Well, there's no shut-offs or anything that they.
You can steal the height or you can't.
This is as high as we're going.
Okay.
Up there, so a couple inches. Helps.
Was this for fire? Or is
It's the silence, the alarm. It only silences it for 2 minutes until I get here.
What's your response time here, Amy?
Well, I had one about a month ago.
Yeah.
2 in the morning.
Yeah.
I was here within 10 minutes.
Holy. That's when you hit snooze.
Yeah, well, the fire department was here.
Oh,
They can't
man.
shut the alarm off. And it was just, someone was cooking. It was just a little smoke. So this lady's moving out
Okay.
April 1st.
Vacancy.
On the trillion building.
What are they currently renting?
Some of them are 60s and 70s.
777 one is hers.
At least got a double that one.
Oh yeah. 1800.
Yeah.
You see how it doesn't run front to back?
Bigger kitchen.
Oh, okay.
So, it's gonna be a little trickier to open it up.
No, Tom. We do not take no for an answer.
But fridge has to go.
Well, we want the triangle. We want fridges and stoves in the triangle.
Yes, the whole triangle. Fridge, possibly sink, dishwasher's gonna be tight.
Well, there's that closet, but maybe the closet can move.
Potentially. I would ask you.
Yeah. Worst case, we can just put hooks up there and shoes down there.
You know, we can still leave them a little closet.
Okay.
I mean, we wouldn't take it all in.
All right.
But yeah, that would open that up in that room. Fridge, dishwasher. Yeah, we would do an island, right?
I think I'm feeling the islands right now.
Yeah.
That would look pretty sick, right? Then you got a nice little living room with an open kitchen. Like it's pretty.
So much bigger.
Yeah. All right.
But yeah, there's tons of paint, flooring, new doors, most of them.
And then we'll go check out the parking. So there we go, guys. That's the end of the video. We hope to burr this property. That's buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat, and we'll see what the banks give us. We bought the property for $2.3 million, and we're gonna see. So thank you so much. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.